And so this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas, I hope you had fun. Here and the near one, the old and the young. Very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one.